Switching focus now to the Reggae Boyz, and Jamaica's week-long preparation ahead of next Monday's CONCACAF Gold Cup kickoff is well underway. The players have been involved in intense sessions, training sessions, that is, at the Montego Bay Sports Complex. As the Reggae Boyz step up their preparation ahead of kickoff against Honduras in the 2019 Gold Cup, players are adjusting to what's on offer in the camp. According to striker Junior Flemings, even though things could have been better, they are working to overcome the obstacles to make Jamaicans happy.
A lot of stuff has been going on behind the scenes, and coaches are trying their best to get things done. And also, we just have to take it step by step, and hope for the best. We've been to the Gold Cup final twice, and we have a lot of confidence going into this Gold Cup this coming week. And it's something that we just want to execute. I think we fancy our chances of getting back to the final. It's not on us now to get the win.
And coach Theodore Tapper Whitmore says in order to reach a third consecutive final, consistency is key.
We want to play against the Mexicans, the Americans, Costa Ricans. We want to play against these teams every day because they are the ones who we have to match up against to really prove what we are made of. So consistency is going to be important.
They'll have winger Leon Bailey to call on as the entire Jamaica awaits his entry into the senior program. But Coach Whitmore warns they're more than just about individuals.
This is not a one-man or a one-team game. We have 23 players in training, and the 23 players have to contribute to the team. We have exceptional talent. We can't argue about that, but as a team, we work as a team, we do everything together as a team.
Jamaica will open against Honduras at 8:30 p.m. after El Salvador take on Curacao at 6. Both games will be played at the National Stadium.